presenting our third technical video. Please like, share and subscribe. In the last two videos, you saw what is cement and different types of cement. Today, we are going to tell more about the differences between OPC and PPC. OPC and PPC can be differentiated on basis of the following criteria: components, strength, setting time, durability, cost, and heat of hydration. Coming to components. OPC is mix of limestone, shale, chalk, clay, and gypsum. Whereas PPC is variation of OPC, that is nothing but adding fly ash and volcanic ash to OPC. Next is strength. Initial strength of OPC is higher than PPC, but if we consider for longer duration, then PPC attains higher strength than OPC. Next is availability. OPC is available in 3 grades, namely 33 grade, 43 grade and 53 grade. PPC is available in only 1 grade, which makes the strength of 33 grade OPC after curing. Coming to setting time. PPC has high initial setting time compared to OPC, but it becomes hard over a period of time with proper curing. Final setting time of OPC is lesser than PPC, so it's best suited and effective for construction. Coming to durability. Even though OPC is most commonly used in construction, it is less durable in aggressive weather, especially for those construction done for water bodies like bridges, abutments, canals, because of the salt content. Cost. OPC is more costlier than PPC, so PPC is a better option for mass constructions. Pozzolana cement uses natural and industrial waste, thus it is more eco-friendly. PPC is highly resistant to sulfate attacks, so it is mainly used in construction of dams, foundations, reservoirs and buildings near seashore. Coming to heat of hydration. OPC generates more heat than PPC, as PPC has high low of hydration. Applications. Because of low setting time, OPC is used widely and is more ideal for constructions of buildings, flyovers, etc. PPC, because of high initial and final setting time, it's more suitable for mass constructions like dams, reservoirs and bridges. Thank you.